What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video. But I wanted to show you the remote editing setup that I use when I'm away, which is more often than not. If you have an iPad Pro, or I think even any iPad, you can use this feature and it'll give you so much extra screen real estate. So here I have my iPad Pro connected via USB-C to my MacBook Pro. Even if you've got the 16-inch MacBook Pro, the screen real estate is still quite limited. Well, we can solve this. Click on this icon here. You'll see an icon that says screen mirroring. Click on that and you should see your iPad listed right here. My iPad screen is now connected to my MacBook. When you set this thing up, it's not going to automatically know that your iPad is to the right or left or whatever of your computer. So you're going to want to go up to System Preferences up here and set this up so it knows where your iPad screen is. If you go to displays, you can see this little visualization of where my iPad screen is in relation to my laptop. And I've moved it down here because it is quite slightly lower than my laptop, but you can obviously move it upwards and it will show that it's being moved here. But this just means that it thinks that it's on the left of my screen, and when I move the mouse to the left, it's going to then go onto my iPad, which is obviously quite weird. So you want it to be relative to how it actually is, and then the mouse will seamlessly cross across. If you're using Final Cut Pro, this is helpful because you can go up here, click on this button. It will make your screen into an extra window for Final Cut Pro. For me, I normally set this by clicking up here. I set this as the viewer. I prefer to use it as the viewer. So there you have your viewer, and there you have your editing timeline and your window for all your footage as well. And it gives you so much more real estate. That is my setup. I don't bring any extra screens with me. I'm just traveling all the time, so it's a pain in the ass. But an iPad folds up very small, and honestly, it could be an incentive to get the bigger iPad Pro. If you like this video, please subscribe. Let me know in the comments down below if there are any other topics you would like me to cover, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.